Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. You join me in the Defender. Another little quick thing I want to show you. Back here there's an air vent. You're familiar with the Defender. You've got the latch here. That's the only air conditioning I've got in the vehicle, if you like. And it blows air through and it's not bad. You've got one on the other side. There you go. And of course you can open the window. But what I find with this vent here, the wind comes through it fine, but it hits me in the chest, it's too low down. I want it in my face. Now on later Defenders I think that you've got a better arrangement than I've got here, but this is old sort of L basic. What I've come up with a few years ago, and it's been very handy, couple of blank credit cards. Yeah, I've not spent a lot of time developing this, I must admit, but there you go. It fits there, fine for the summer, and it deflects the air straight into my face, and that's what I want when I'm driving, not on my chest. Fully adjustable by bending the corner of the credit card there to move the air about on yourself, and you can slide it around on the shelf there to your heart's desire, if you like, until you get the air just right. You bend it this way as well, you bend it that way, and I found a little tweak on the end there sets the air straight in my face just like I want. And if you want to switch it off, go on, it's off. So yeah, just a 2-minute video. Remember your sword first here on Mike Makes It. I dare say there's other ones out there, but this costs nothing apart from about 30 seconds of my time, and very good. Always comes out on the in the summer and away in the winter. So yeah, that's it. I hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching.